What's up, YouTube? Doswell Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today what we doing? This the first beat of the day, man. Just turned the computer on. We gonna go ahead and get it, make something. I was in the car and I was listening to some drill beats, so I was feeling inspired. So let's go ahead and try to do a drill beat, something totally different, something out the box, and something sound totally different, and just put some drill drums on it. All right, let's go, let's get it. That's what we're doing today. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna leave it off there for now. If this is your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Just making my beat from scratch, man. That's it. This was the first one of the day, so let's get it. Let's go, man. Plenty more to come. This is the first one today, so let's go. Let's get it. Alright, let's get it, man. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get it. As always, you know what I like to say, man. Only when the beat drop, though. Let's go.